everyone! In a previous video I showed you two different methods to tie a bull hitch knot to a ring, and today I'm going to show you a new method so you can tie this knot onto a dowel rod. Let's get started. The first step is to take your rope and fold it evenly in half. You're going to send that folded in over your dowel rod so that there's this nice loop right behind. We're going to pull the two ends through the loop as if we were forming a lark's head knot. Now instead of pulling this tight, we're going to take that folded end here and twist it to form a loop. Okay, so I just took it and twisted it. Now we're going to take those two ends and pull them through that loop we just formed. And we pull it tight. Just like that. So once again, take your rope folded in half, send it over your dowel rod, pull the two ends through the loop. Now take that loop and just twist it to form a new loop. Pull the two ends through that new loop and pull it tight. And there you go. This is how you can tie the bull hitch knot to a dowel rod using single stranded rope, 3-ply, and braided. This is a great alternative to the lark's head knot. It just adds a little bit of a new design with that crossed X look. And it also secures your ropes just slightly better so they're not going to bunch up and come undone as you tie your projects. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.